Is it visible? Okay, sorry. Literally sorry for that. Okay, so we will just cover the introductory part today. So basically, air. What is meant by air? Air is essential for it life, and without it, we can't survive. Everyone knows that. But the main component of the air is nothing but the oxygen. Without oxygen, we can't survive. And likewise, oxygen. There are many gases which is very important for us. That is the nitrogen gases also and carbon dioxide gases also. Okay. How does I am say that the carbon dioxide is important? Because without carbon dioxide we can't get the oxygen. Okay, everyone knows that the plants releases the carbon dioxide and sorry, we, that is human being, releases the carbon dioxide and plants take it uh, inside and releases the oxygen. That wise indirectly we need the carbon dioxide. Okay, so air is essential for life itself. Without it, we could survive only a few minutes. It constitutes immediate physical environment of living organisms. The atmosphere is layered into four distinct, which are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Okay, so generally, what is air? Okay, the whole Earth is surrounding by the air. Okay, firstly, you note that point. We live in that environment which is covered by whole the air. ओके, ऍटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये जेवढेही गॅसेस आहेत त्या सगळ्या गॅसेसला आपण टोटली काय म्हणतो, एअर म्हणतो. ओके, सो एअर इज नथिंग बट द मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हेरियस गॅसेस. ओके, एअर काय असते, एक मिक्सचर आहे आणि ती होल ऍटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये पसरलेली असते. Okay, so it is the combination of, that is, it is a composition of various gases and it live in around the earth. That is the first असते nitrogen, second असते oxygen, third one is argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor and trace gases. Okay, so mainly सगळ्यात जास्ती मोठं कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन कोणत्या गॅसचं असते, नायट्रोजन गॅस असतं. 78% nitrogen gas occupied in the air. Okay, we can find out the 70% of composition of the nitrogen gas. Okay, so nitrogen gas, which is very important for the plants. Okay, when the plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis, they need the nitrogen gas. Okay, they can't directly take it from the atmosphere. From for that purpose, some for that purpose, mm, some what can say that some bacteria. Okay, some bacteria are present in the earth, and this soil. Okay, some bacteria is present in the soil, and they from that soil, these bacteria are help the nitrogen gas. It takes the nitrogen gas, and from the roots of the plants they can supply to the plants, and plants uses this nitrogen for the process of making their food. Okay, so the contribution of nitrogen in our mm, in our human as well as plants is very important. Okay, so 78% dilutes oxygen and prevents rapid burning at the earth's surface. Okay, It will helps to prevent the burning at the earth surface. मीन्स जर टेम्परेचर जर जास्त असेल तर ते कंट्रोल करायचं काम नायट्रोजन गॅस पण करू शकते. लिव्हिंग थिंग्स नीड इट टू मेक प्रोटीन्स. Nitrogen cannot be used directly from the air. The nitrogen cycle is nature's way of supplying the needed nitrogen for living things. Okay, but we can take the nitrogen directly. That is human being. Oxygen. Okay, everyone knows that oxygen is very essential for breathing purpose. Without oxygen, we can't survive in this atmosphere. So the composition of atmosphere, that is the contribution of oxygen in the air, is nothing but the 21% used by all living things, essential for respiration. It is necessary for combustion or burning. Okay. आणि म्हणजे 78 प्लस 21 किती झाले? 99. ओके, सो ॲटमॉस्फेरिक एअर मध्ये 99%. ओके, यू कॅन सी द diagram, that is picture also. Okay, this circular picture also, you can see this picture. It shows that 78% of nitrogen are present in the air and oxygen is 21% and remaining 0.01%, sorry, 1%. Okay, remaining 1%, remaining 1% of air contains carbon dioxide, that is 0.03%, water vapor 0 to 4%. Okay, something point percent. Okay, then trace gases, that is light gases, that is neon, helium, krypton, xenon, argon also there. Okay, that's why that's called trace gases. म्हणजे यांचं प्रमाण गॅसेसमध्ये खूप कमी प्रमाणात असते. ओके, पण मेजर सोर्सेस कोण, मेजर कंपोनंट कोण आहे? नायट्रोजन अँड ऑक्सिजन. आता मला सांगा पोल्युशन का होत असेल? ओके, दीज आर द बॅलन्स सायकल. ओके, दिस इज द बॅलन्स कंपोजिशन अँड बॅलन्स प्रपोर्शन ऑफ द गॅसेस इन टू द एअर. ओके, समजा आता यामध्ये ऑक्सिजनचं प्रमाण कमी झालं, नायट्रोजनचं प्रमाण कमी झालं आणि जे कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आहे त्याचं प्रमाण वाढलं किंवा दुसरे गॅसेस त्यांचं प्रमाण वाढलं, दॅट मीन्स द सायकल गेट इम्बॅलन्स. ज्यावेळेस ही सायकल इम्बॅलन्स होते किंवा एखाद्याचं प्रपोर्शन ज्या एक लिमिटेशनच्या प्रपोर्शनपेक्षा जास्त वाढत असेल त्यावेळेस तिथे एअर पोल्युशन ऑकर होते. ओके, सो मेन आपण म्हणू शकतो की एअर पोल्युशन का बरं होते? ज्यावेळेस हे जे प्रपोर्शन आहे 100% प्रपोर्शन आहे, यामध्ये ज्यावेळेस डिस्टर्बन्स आपल्याला ऑकर होतो त्यावेळेस ते पोल्युशन घडायला लागतं. ओके, समजा कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं प्रमाण आहे 0.03% आणि ते चाललंय 5%, 10%, 20%. दॅट मीन्स वी रिक्वायर्ड ओनली 0.03% ऑफ कार्बन अँड फ्रॉम द ॲटमॉस्फिअर we have 5% of carbon. That means they are obviously they are showing their negative impacts on the earth surface or atmosphere. ओके, अशा केसमध्ये एअर पोल्युशन जनरली होत असते. सो आपण बघूया त्यात आर्गॉन काय असते? 0.9%. दॅट इज द युज्ड इन लाईट बल्ब. जनरली ऑर्गनचा यूज कुठे करतो आपण? लाईट बल्ब्स मध्ये. देन कार्बन डायऑक्साईड 0.03%. Okay, generally plants use it for the purpose of their food making. Then water vapor 4% and trace gases. Okay, so I think you have a lecture of another subject. So I'll stop here and sorry for today. I'll not I make sure that from tomorrow lecture, from next lecture, I'll not make this mistake again. So I'll stop here. Only 2 students are present, that is Sadiq Ali and also Devmari. Okay, thank you.